guys, so we're at the part 3 of our build, and right now, as you guys can see, we're just trying to prep up the engine bay to drop the engine in. And what we're trying to do is trying to get the gearbox and the engine in together, and hopefully it doesn't give us any problems, and let's get it. So guys, we managed to get the engine in one piece. And we're still putting the rest of the bits on, CV, the rotor, and here it is. We still need to get this side on. So you guys won't see the startup today, but in the next video you might see the startup. And right now we're just gonna go put the passenger side CV in, and I'll catch you guys soon. Here's the CV. We just finished putting it on, and here's the other side. So both sides are done, and we just paused it here because it was getting a little late, and we might carry on the rest maybe tomorrow or the day after. So if you guys like today's video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment. And I'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, I'm sipping real codeine.